Good morning, lovely people. I will point out that I have some blemishes on my face today that I have tried to cover up, so if they make an appearance later, I'm not gonna deny that they're there. I'm not really sure what today's going to entail, but I will fill you in as we go along. But for now, I'm off to get coffee. Back from the shops now, and spent a little bit too long at the shops, to be honest. I wasn't in one of those moods where I wanted to be around lots of people in a shopping centre, but you know, I got 2 coffees out of it though, so I'm still finishing my second one. Don't worry, I didn't scull 2 large coffees while I was there. It's really overcast today, and it's one of those days where you're not entirely sure what time it is. It's really strange, but it's almost 3 o'clock. And hopefully I'm just about to do something really exciting. So this is my lovely big computer. You can see all of the fingerprints on it except for this middle part. I've had this computer for about 4 years now, which means it's way past its use by. And unfortunately it's decided to stop accepting USBs and connecting to the internet, so I basically just use it for editing. So I have to use this tiny little one. You can see, compared to my hand, this is my internet computer, my YouTubing one. So that's probably why I take so long to do things on the internet. I mean, without that tiny little computer, I couldn't use any internet, so I guess I shouldn't complain. But I do. You know I do. About 8 o'clock at night, and it's really dark outside and it's really cold, but from about 3 until 7, so 4 solid hours, I've been on Skype to my friend in Canada. So that was the exciting thing I was doing. A lot of the time was just me showing her weird things that my cats do, but it was a really good catch-up time. So yeah, nothing has really happened in my day. I'm going to have a bit of dinner now and go to bed because I've got to get up early for work tomorrow, and I would really like to sleep properly tonight because I did stay up way too late last night. And yeah, I thought just instead of ending it here, because nothing's really happened today. There's not a whole lot going on in this vlog just yet. And while I don't know what's happening tomorrow, I thought I'd take you along for that as well and just merge two days into one. Like when 2 become 1. Yeah, Spice Girls reference. You know it. Anyway, so for tonight I'm going to say good night and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Morning, baby. Morning, kittens. Hi, baby. Delilah. Oh, look at your face, you're so pretty. Good morning. So it's almost 7 o'clock. I'm a little bit late for work and I'm filming this in the car park at work. It's a frosty morning. The moon looks really cool though. I'll see if I can show you guys. I guess I will see you at my break time. Okay, no, there's no focus there. That's a shame. It is a crescent moon and you can't see it. 10 in the morning and it's a lovely blue sky and it's really sunny, but it is still pretty cold and I'm wishing I brought a jacket with me today. Everyone at work has been noticing that I've changed my hair colour, and I didn't realise it was that much of a change, but everyone's been saying, "Oh, Lizzie, you've changed your hair again," and they really like it. And that's really nice that people are noticing, I think. I think I'm starting to feel a little bit like Michael Clifford, because they're like, every time I see you, you've changed your hair colour again. And I'm like, technically it's not like proper full colour, it's just shades, but still. How rude, Jetstar. Rude. Can we zoom? We can zoom. Oh my goodness. Look at the parrots. He's so green. We're still zooming. Oh my goodness. Oh, the slightest movement. And here we have a green parrot with some yellow legs and blue-tipped wings. He's feeding. Could be a she, I have no idea. But they're feeding. They have a friend over here somewhere. I'm not doing a good job at finding where they are in so much zoom. No chance. No. Oh my goodness, no, there it is. Hello, you're not as pretty. I'm judging you based solely on your looks. I must look so strange to anyone who's seeing me. Cute parrots. Hello. Sorry for the little interlude, but I thought that I would show you the parrots because they just caught my eye all of a sudden. It was a tiny bit of a hair story that I'll tell you very quickly while I stand outside into this nice little flowery bush tree thing. So I wanted to dye my hair lighter because I do want to go pink again, and I want it to be a nice solid base. That means that my hair is going to stay pink for quite a while. So really I'm trying to go white. I might be white by the time this video goes up, so here's hoping. Okay, now it's Qantas's turn to be rude. Anyway, I put the blonde through it and it's supposed to be platinum, but because my hair has got like a warm undertone, it went quite yellow, and then I put the purple shampoo onto it, and because the ends were still quite white, I got like some purple in the ponytail part here, and it was a real struggle. And then because of the purple I use, this nail colour was that light green. That's one of my favourite colours, like that light mint green. This is the colour it's turned into. That's not light green anymore. So thank you purple shampoo and little chemical experiments I've been doing. Haven't been meaning to. Anyway, I've got some coffee to finish off and I will see you later. But also, just let's appreciate how blue this sky is right now. How lovely is that blue colour? There's even a gradient through this camera. It's so pretty. I love blue. Just love it. It's 4:30 now and I'm back home. It's really cold and nothing else has really happened today. Work was really busy and I got stressed out a fair bit, but I managed to calm myself down and control my anxiety, so I guess that was good, but I just feel so drained right now, and my job involves talking to a lot of people, and being an introvert, that drains me of all my energy, and I just get home and I collapse. My brain feels like a mush. Not that it feels like Einstein at any time in my life, really, but you know, feels like real mush right now. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and any other vlogs. I hope I make you smile at some point in this, maybe, when you're watching it, I don't know, because whenever I see the comments, they're so lovely, and the fact that people are actually watching them and liking my video, that makes me smile and it makes me so happy. Like, I just appreciate it so much, so like, just thank you for that. Yeah, you guys just make me really happy, so I hope that I can make you happy in some way as well. That'd be really cool. Anyway, I'm gonna go now and end this vlog, and I'm gonna say goodnight, even though it's not even 5 and it's still light outside, because My face is kind of just gross, and I just don't feel like still filming. I just want to really zone out. So thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in another video. Bye guys!